Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your Princess Monet and today I'm back with another video. I'm in Rite Aid right now with my mother. We need garbage bags and she wants to get this little ass plant and I'm just like, girl, what? She really ended up getting this, so I'm gonna put it right over for 1 second. Alright, so this little ass thing probably could fit right there. You see? Alright, I see her vision. Ma, I see your vision. Yeah, look, it fits perfect in that little ass. Okay, so my dad's about to put my mirror up. What? Say hi. Such a gem, right? We love him. He's been such a huge, ginormous help. So, shout out to him.
Is that sufficient?
See, let me stand in front of it. Actually, yeah, this is perfect. I can see my whole body standing right here.
She's just thinking about herself.
Yeah, but you're supposed to think of other people that
No.
are coming out.
It's only that she my whole body.
No, that's not why. I'm just saying,
Hold
like,
the mirror, please.
you can see me. So
Hold it.
that means if I can see myself at this height, then I'm sure other people can. And if they're taller, look.
That's good.
I think so too. Okay, let me stop. So I bought these flowers from Michael's and I want to place them maybe like in the waiting room, my room, or somewhere. I don't know. But the mirror is now up.
Look, clean it, Mama. It's dirty.
The mirror?
Yeah,
I know.
It's dirty.
The mirror is up. I just have to clean it. And now my dad's going to put up these. So we're just going to measure the wall now. I have to decide how I want to lay these out. What do I want in the middle? What do I want? Oh, well, actually, this has to go in the middle because it's... Since it's not like a full body, then she's going to have to go in the middle. So it's going to look like this. Alright, let's measure. So this is what's going on right now. One of them is up, but instead of drilling holes in the wall, I actually just put, what's it called? These thumbtacks. Alright, so it is finished. I ended up, well, I don't know if I said this before, but I ended up putting push pins instead of screwing screws into the wall because one, this is like less work, and then two, it's making a smaller hole, which is just better just in case, like eventually, let's just say I don't want to have this up anymore, I can just easily remove it. It'll have like tiny holes, you know? So yeah, what do you guys think? Let me back up. Stand over here. I think it looks really pretty. Yes, no, maybe so. With the lighting, it makes the bottom look like a darker gold, but it's not. It's all the same color. Let me look. Let me go closer so you guys can see what I did there. Perfect. So over here, I was finally able to figure out how to make my own code. So now I have my cash box and it's going to be locked up. Over here, this place is a mess right now. Move this to the side. My mother bought me this. I love that she got me this. So this is like an Amazon Alexa, but you can like call people, I think. I don't know, you can see people. If you have the Ring, you can see them outside your house. Also, I have this right here. So I think I said this in my last video. If I do want to plug and have my, what's it called, my wax pot turned on before I get here, I can just say, Alexa, turn on my smart plug, like turn on my wax plug while I'm home, and it will turn it on for me, which I think that's really cool. What does this say? It says camera. Mommy, this has a camera on it. Like, you can take a picture of yourself.
You can do a lot of things to that.
That is so crazy. Okay.
Why, you don't want it?
Why would I not want it?
Where's the...
Of course I do. Thank you for buying me this.
Where's the screw?
What screw? Okay, so right now I'm actually trying to figure out like what brand I'm gonna buy for my hydrofacial. So I'm just sitting here looking up different types. I want to get like the best of the best. I know I'm spending a lot of money. I spend so much money. I cannot even express how much. And I know it's gonna take me a very long time to even like get that money back. Like I have to see a list and a list and a list and a list of people before I make any money back, but that's kind of expected. And it is what it is. What else was I gonna say? Also, earlier today I started making this, so by the time that I get home, which is in a little while, I'm gonna see what it looks like. I started working on, hold on, let me make sure that it doesn't turn when I turn my phone. Okay, so I started making this earlier today. It's a tray for the waiting room to go on like the coffee table, or is that considered a coffee table? Like the middle table that is going in front of the couch and the chairs. So once I get home, we're gonna see what it looks like, and I'm really excited. Crossing my fingers that it looks good. That's pretty much all I came here for tonight. Tomorrow, of course, I'm gonna do more. I'm gonna probably do all of this. Like start cleaning. Just gonna organize this a little bit more. I want to see what, matter of fact, let me do this now. I'm gonna clean this real quick, and then I'm gonna put this to see what it looks like with it covered. So let me do that. Alrighty, let's see how this goes. I might have to take, does it say? Like, alright, these are the corners. Wait, okay. Is this even, I don't know if this is correct. I feel like I'm doing this so wrong. What am I doing? I am very confused. Oh wait, that's actually correct. You guys can't see this side. Let me turn it. Trying to get it over the head part. I don't know if this is correct though. Oh. Did it just come out? Whoops. Lefty loosey, righty tighty. Wait. Alright, I think that's correct. My mother washed this. I don't know why it looks like that, but okay. Let's see. Okay, so it looks like this. And then you don't have to see like what I have stored in there. Well, this, I think this can go a little bit lower. Or does this go under? Hold on. Okay, so this bed is so freaking heavy. I don't know how I did it, but I did it. I legit took my shoulder, put it under here, and then I took my back and I lift up and just like put it under. So now it's like much better, and now you can see like what I have stored under, which was what I was trying to say before, but now it's really like that. So it feels really good, and the bed is already comfortable, so this is just like, I don't know, instead of like the black, it doesn't go with my room, and now it does. So I really love it. Let me know what you guys think. Alright, you guys, so I'm gonna end the vlog off here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video and are enjoying being on this journey with me. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you're notified every time I post a video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.